All right, we are going to be solving another question on application of current division rule. All right, so they say we should find the value of the battery voltage. Also, find I1 for the circuit as shown. You can see the circuit. We have the total current, which is not given to us, and then we have the battery, which is the value is not also not given to us. We don't know the voltage, and but we are given resistor 4 ohms, 6 ohms, and what 8 ohms. And then we are giving this one to be I1, we are giving this to be what I2. All right, so quick one, for us to solve this question, you are going to note carefully that this resistor and this resistor, they are in what, they are in series. All right, but before we start, let's just name it. Let's name this to be R1, this to be R2, this to be what, R3. All right, so let's say R1 is 6 ohms. All right, and R2 is 8 ohms, and R3 is 4 ohms. All right, so that is what we have. All right, so we are given I2, that is the current across the second resistor, to be 1.5 ampere. All right, but we don't know I1, so we don't also know I. All right, so if we apply the current division rule to R2 and R3, we can get the total current that is entering into the circuit, which is I in this case. All right, so if we apply current divider rule here, we know that our I2 will be equals to what? Be equals to R1 all over R1 plus what? Plus R2 into what? Into the total current. All right, so we know that this value is 1.5, which is going to be equals to R1 is 6 all over what? All over 6 plus 8, then multiply by what? By I. All right, so this is going to be 1.5 will be equals to 6I, then all over what? 6 plus 8 is 14. So 14. So if we make I the subject, I will be equals to 1.5 multiplied by 14, 1.5 multiplied by 14 divided by what? Divided by 6. And 1.5 multiplied by 14 divided by 6 is nothing but what? It's nothing but 3.5. So our I will be equals to 3.5 ampere. All right, so that's the value of the total current that is entering into the circuit. All right, now that we have gotten the total current entering into the circuit, now we can therefore calculate our total resistance, because for now we cannot still calculate the the voltage across the battery, because we know that from Ohm's law our E is equals to what? IR, that is I, the total current, multiplied by what? The equivalent resistance in this case. All right, so and you are going to note that this and this, they are parallel, that is R1 is parallel to what? R2. So we can say that R1 subscript 2 will be equals to R1 R2 all over what? R1 plus R2. So if you substitute now, we are going to have 6 times 8 all over what? 6 plus what? 8. So this will be equals to, if you press 6 times 8 and you divide it by 14, you are going to have this to be 3.4 ohms. So we are going to have this to be 3.4 ohms. All right. So now you are going to note that this resistance here, 4 ohms, is now going to be in series with this. That is R1 and R1, 2 are in series. They will now be in series. All right, so we can therefore calculate the equivalent resistance now. So the equivalent resistance is going to be R1 plus R1, 2, which is going to be equals to 4 plus what? 3.4. And 4 plus 3.4 is 7.4. So the equivalent resistance will be equals to what? 7.4 ohms. All right, so for us to find the value of the battery voltage now, E will be equals to IR. All right, that is the total current multiplied by the equivalent resistance. So this will be equals to the total current is 3.5 multiplied by the equivalent resistance, which is 7.4. All right, so if you press this in your calculator, you are going to have this to be what? 25.9 volts. So 25.9 volts. All right, so that is what we are going to have. All right, so the next thing we want to do is to calculate the value of what? I1. All right, so don't forget that we have a well-structured materials on circuit analysis, which has been simplified for your personal consumption. And for you to get this material, just go to our description and you will see a direct link to our WhatsApp. You can just send us a direct message and we will have this delivered into your inbox. You can also send us a direct message on our email. All right, so for us to calculate our I1 will be equals to what? It's going to be, no, this and this, they are in what? In parallel. So it's going to be R2 all over R1 plus R2, then multiply by what? The total current. So if you substitute now, R2 is what? 8. That is 8 all over 6 plus 8, then multiply by what? 3.5. Because 3.5 is our what? Total current. So by the time you press this in your calculator, you are going to have 2 ampere as your answer. So our answer is going to be 2 ampere. All right, so in case this is your first time of coming across our content, do well to hit the bell notification so at any time we upload a content like this, you'll be the first to receive the notification, and do well to like, comment and share this video with your friends who might be in need of it. Stay tuned for more. Thanks.